Hi, I want to show you how to add your name on iPhone's lock screen. For that, open up your settings and search for the Focus tab. So here, I want you to create custom focus. For that, tap on the plus in the upper right corner, select Custom, and give it a name. So if you want to add your name on iPhone's lock screen, then here, enter your name. And by the way, you can use emojis. Then you need to choose icon's color as well as the icon itself. So you can go through the list and select any icon you want to see as your focus tab. Then click next, and after that tap customize focus. Here you can customize it as DND mode, so you can go in people and choose from which people notifications will be allowed or silenced. The same you can do for apps, and you can customize screens when this mode is turned on. So you can choose different wallpaper. Let's try this out. Let's choose, for example, this one. Tap done. And also you can choose which pages you will see on your home screen when this mode is on. After that, you can also set as casual and turn on smart activation. Now let me show you how to use it. For that, we need to swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger Control Center. Find this Focus tab and click on your created focus. After that, you will see your name on the lock screen. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.